welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating a really easy hairstyle for you. This is about 4th day curls. I washed my hair like 4 days ago. Haven't done anything to it except preserve it. And if you want to know how I preserve my curls, make sure to watch the video above. I'll put it up above somewhere so you can see how I do that. But yeah, in one of my favorites videos, I actually had a really easy bun that I always do, like this really messy bun that I always do towards the end of the week when it's almost time to wash my hair and my curls are not at their best. And I actually had a request on that video to do that tutorial for you. So here I am today. I'm going to show you the easiest bun of all time. You do not need a lot of stuff. You don't even need a brush for this tutorial. So what you're going to need is a spray bottle. This is just like a little NARS one. You need hair ties of some sort. These are elastic ones, and then these are more of the fabric kind. These are my favorite, the fabric kind. And then you need bobby pins. That's it. That's all you need. So bear with me if I'm looking down. It's because I'm looking at my monitor to show you how to do the hair. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna grab my hair in a ponytail. And I'm not doing a tight ponytail. I'm doing a very loose ponytail. So you can see, hopefully you can see that. And I'm taking my scrunchie in a half ponytail, like a bun, once. That's all I did. Nothing fancy. That's literally all I did. And you can push it if it's not in the right shape. Now, if you don't have as thick of hair as mine, you might need to do twice, or you might need to get another scrunchie. Right now, I'm going to take an elastic scrunchie. It's a little harder. And I'm literally pushing my hair down and just going over it. So you get all these little pieces everywhere. So it looks more organic, like it's really just a messy bun. I like to just take out my curls, some of them, to make them look a little bit more, you know, fun. Now this is a little poofy. You could always pin this back if you like yours a little tighter, but I don't. I like it like that. And then this is where the water comes out to play. All I literally do is pull my baby hairs like this, and from here, sorry, it's so hard to do this on camera. Literally, that's all I do. Pull out some greñas, or hairs, and with my spray bottle, I'll spray it. And then kind of scrunch. And since it is towards the end of the week, I still have curly hair products in my hair. I never do this when my hair is freshly curled because number one, you're going to mess up your curls. And number two, you don't have stuff in your hair. Enough stuff in your hair. And then whatever's down here, same thing. I spray my hair, my hands a little. See, and as it dries, it'll dry curly. You don't even have to do these little flequitos, like I like to call them. You could just leave your hair without the little curls, but I do like the curls in the front. And that's literally it. And then all I do is with bobby pins, I'll take out some bobby pins. I'll just mold my hair the way I want it. So if I want this piece that's bothering me, I'll pin it there. Let's see if I can show you. Tighten this over here. I'll play with this. Literally just sticking pins in my hair. And that's it. That is your messy bun. The easiest hair ever. It always looks like I spent a lot more time on it than I did. Hopefully you like this really quick and easy tip. This is nice just to get another day or two out of your hair when it's so dry or has a lot of stuff in it. And that's it. Once the curls dry, once these little pieces dry, they kind of spring up by themselves. You could always take your finger and wrap it around. You could always take the hair and wrap it around your finger and kind of hold them there and then let it dry, and then you'll get some more curls there. But that's it. This is my messy hair. I think it's cute. It looks really nice. You can dress it up or down, actually. I've done both before. And that's it. Yeah. If you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every single week, 1 or 2 videos. And if you like hair videos, I also have a hair playlist, so make sure to check that out. Make sure to follow me on all my social media handles. I'll put them over here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.